Yeah. My name is Bonginkosi, Gift Education Madoda Kanyini. Today is the 18th of March 2024, and tomorrow we are going to court in full force. We are going to court tomorrow in full force. It is the MK, the IEC, and the ANC. The ANC is contesting our registration. Now, comrades, let's go there and listen what does the court say. Please put it on top. Thanks. Thank you. Let's go there and listen to the court proceedings. Now, there are people going around saying that tomorrow there will be an unrest because the ANC is not going to rule in favor of us. Comrades, remember, tomorrow we are more likely not to even get a ruling. Tomorrow we are listening to the presentation of the IEC, the ANC, the MK on the subject matter, on the registration of MK. But also, comrades, remember the ANC want us to react in that manner. Let's not fall in the propaganda of ANC, of Ramaphosa. Let's not fall into the trap of Ramaphosa ANC. Because Ramaphosa will want an unrest now, so that he does not sit elections. He postpones them and he continues to be a president. Ours is a call for free and fair elections. Ours is to defend our democratic rights, a right to vote, a freedom of association, and a right to choose any political party and to associate with any political party. And those are the rights we are prepared to lay down our lives for. So let's not fall into a trap of the Ramaphosa ANC, of going and saying we are disrupting, we are causing anarchy. Let's go listen to the court. What does the court say? Very disciplined, very alert, and we listen to the proceedings and all processes with a clear, sober mind. But let's not fall into a trap. I can tell you now, if the voice notes that are going around of unrest and what Ramaphosa will celebrate and call his friends at Stellenbosch, they'll be drinking wine the entire night, celebrating, because if you cause unrest, then the elections do not sit. Then Ramaphosa continues to be a president. Then he deploys soldiers. We cannot allow that situation. Let's go for the 29th of May. We remove him and we make sure that he does not steal our votes. Ours is to defend the Constitution and its democracy. There we are not compromising. And going to court tomorrow, peacefully, disciplined, and very alert, is not a sign of cowardice. It's a sign that we do not start any wars, we do not start any fights. But when it comes to defending ourselves, we must always defend ourselves. So we should not be the ones that start wars, because Ramaphosa wants that. That is his plan. That is why he says there are soldiers ready. Ready to do what? Instead of campaigning, giving people t-shirts, giving them food, and we vote and you peacefully get defeated. Because the fact of the matter is that on the 30th of May 2024, the ANC of Ramaphosa will go down. Sir Ramaphosa will be a former president. That is the fact of the matter. The only thing that will save him is trying to steal votes. So comrades, let's make sure that we meet at Bloemfontein tomorrow and listen to the court proceedings. And let's not play to the trap of Cyril Ramaphosa. Let's go there in a very radical and militant fashion, with our intellect very shaped according. And we listen to the court proceedings. And we make sure that we get ready to vote. Because I can tell you, MK, Jacob Zuma, will be on the ballot come 2029 May. I can tell you, dark or blue, MK will be on the ballot. MK will be on the ballot. And the ANC of Cyril Ramaphosa will go down. Nothing will ever save them. Nothing is coming for them. Let's meet tomorrow in Bloemfontein. Salute, comrades.